Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You can link Bootstrap 3 ways: CDN, local files, or NPM package. Each option changes how you manage files and updates. CDN uses hosted files and gives instant access to the latest stable release. Local linking means downloading Bootstrap 5 CSS and JS into your project folder. NPM installs version packages into node modules for build tools and bundlers. Consider workflow needs, offline requirements, and deployment practices before selecting one of these 3 linking methods. Add the CDN CSS link in the head and JS bundle before closing body. Paste the provided href and integrity attributes to ensure file authenticity. For local files, download Bootstrap. Min, CSS and Bootstrap. Bundle, min, JS into CSS and JS folders. Reference them with relative paths like CSS/Bootstrap. Min, CSS and JS/Bootstrap. Bundle, min, JS. Use exact version numbers like 5, 3, 2 when downloading or referencing files to avoid breaking changes. Test in VS Code live server to confirm assets are loading. Run npm install Bootstrap at 5 to add Bootstrap into node modules for project dependency management. Open your main JavaScript or SCSS entry and import bootstrap/dist/css/bootstrap. Min, CSS to include styles. Import the JS with bootstrap/dist/js/bootstrap. Bundle, min, JS when you need components that use JavaScript. Configure bundlers like Webpack, Rollup, or Vite to process and minify assets for production builds. Finally, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.